I did it my way.
Yep. I have received my SpeedHut gauges. They're upside down, but that's okay. I've already removed a couple of them to see if they fit. Hold on, I'm going to press pause on that damn thing. Okay, anyhow, I ordered these things, oh god, a month ago, and have I guess a nice looking set here. I think it's going to go well with my silvery blue here. Obviously, let me see if I can turn this around just a little bit so you can see it better. Okay, here's why I'm thinking about cutting a hole in that dash. That. I may just return this too. Here's my tach, voltmeter, oil pressure, and my water gauge is over here. So I'm going to test fit these things right quick. There we go. So, first one. There's the speedometer slash fuel gauge. Yeah, nice setup there. As you can see, they are a screw-on kind of a deal. I'm not actually going to put these in. I'm just going to test fit them. When I ordered this, I ordered a 4-inch round. Knowing that I don't think that's the... I think 3 3/8 is the original MG dash whatever, but you know, I don't know. I don't know any better. I don't know MGs too well. It just fits right in, as you can see. Nice and easy. Couple of wires to put together. And the whole thing will just screw on. Not gonna screw down too tight. So there's the first one. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, here is my water gauge. That's there. This one goes from 0 to 260. Let's see. And I know it doesn't go here, but I'm going to just test fit the hole. Oh yeah, perfect. This is gonna look beautiful. And screw it on. Again, not too awfully tight, but it is a beautiful fit. So I'm thinking I ought to explain what else comes with the kit of gauges that I bought. I've got, I guess, the clock. Something for the clock. I don't know. It says clock on it. How to use it. I've got all of the connectors and so forth. My speedometer is a GPS-based speed sensor, so I've got the cable, the antenna, and all the other bus wiring that comes with it. Resistor, no idea. With instructions. Yep. Voltage gauge. Okay. Oh, actually, no, this isn't. Okay, look at that. That, I do believe, is my oil sensor. It's either that or my water sensor, one of the two. Because the oil gauge on a legacy MG is pressure-based, actual, no kidding, oil pressure-based, with the capillary tube all the way up from the engine to the gauge, mine doesn't have that. It's all electronic. So this is one of the sensors. I believe this is a temperature sensor because there's no hole in there. Why does this thing not freaking focus well? God damn phone. 8 gauge power cable, 8 gauge lighting inverter. Okay. Don't know. With instructions. Let's see. Oil. Okay, this is the oil sensor. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna test fit that here in a few minutes. See if that fits over my my thing there. Sweet, with an adapter too. Yeah, I've got one for my Fiat. That's about as big as my fist. Sucker's massive. Fiat's for sale, by the way. And more voltage. No idea what this is for. But there's instructions. Much of this is plug and play. Much of it is. I'm going to give that a shot. And put that on my engine. The rest of the stuff, I'm going to open a beer and start reading. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, just a quick update here. Obviously, this is not focusing. Fucking phone. This is the thing that came out of my MG. It's an MGB engine. This is for the oil transducer, the oil capillary, right? Obviously, this won't screw in because of the size differential. So, SpeedHut has offered or has come up with, or included, an adapter. It did not come with a crush washer, but I did put some, what do you call it, Teflon tape rated for gasoline and or oil and or yada 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 on there. So I'll need to watch this pretty carefully once I start the engine and watch for leaks, right? And the end of the actual sensor itself already has some stop leak. So let me change hands. And I'll tighten that down later. So, there is my oil sensor, oil pressure sensor. Nice little setup. I am not displeased. Not at all. However, getting a wrench in there to tighten it down is going to be a bitch. It's alright.